Hey guys, Adam Frimmer here from DIYPhotography.net. We're here with Trevor at the Lume Cube station at PhotoPlus Expo 2019. We're going to talk about the Lume Cube 2.0.
DIY Photography's coverage of PhotoPlus 2019 is sponsored by Luminar, an AI-powered photo editor. PhotoPlus, immerse yourself in the world of photo and video. Cozy Speed, the fastest camera bags in the world. And Spiffy Gear, lighting for storytellers.
Trevor, what do you got here?
So we have the new and improved Lume Cube 2.0. So a lot of people know us from 2014, early in the Kickstarter days, when we came out with the original Lume Cube, which kind of changed the way the lighting industry works a little bit on the consumer end. So what we've done is taken the product everyone knows and loves and implemented some 2019 LED specs and some cool new features requested by our customers. So same build, super durable. We've improved the button system. So now there is an increased brightness and a decreased brightness, which seems subtle, but the original Lume Cube owners know it used to cycle all the way through, then back down to 10%.
How many steps do we have this time?
So there's still 10 brightness settings, and you hold it to turn it on so it doesn't turn on your gear bag, and then tap all the way up to 100% brightness. Then if you want to dial it down just like that. Some other popular physical features, we implemented USB-C recharge port with a new kind of rubber waterproof gasket. It's much improved compared to the old screw-on that you need a quarter or a long fingernail that you may break off to get it open. So much improved there. The battery is a really popular one. An hour and a half of runtime on a full battery, just implementing some new LED specs and battery specs that are on the market. And then of course we did upgrade the LED inside to have a true 5600 Kelvin color temperature. We warmed the light up a bit to give it a more daylight balanced light. And then we also widened the beam angle to 80 degrees. Then we do have some modifiers to narrow it down, snoots and barn doors, but that's really cool. Two cool new features that were requested by a lot of our customers. One is low light mode. So as you turn the light on, you hold down on both buttons, and now it drops into low light mode, which is 1 to 10% brightness adjustments. So if you want to light paint or do long exposures, or you're doing time lapses, this is basically a night photographer or videographer's best friend. It's super fun, you can draw stuff. That was highly requested by a lot of our customers. The second cool feature is a new and improved optical sensor mode. So if you hold down on the right button, it will drop into optical slave mode. And we put it on top this time compared to the front of the lens, which now it can detect a flash from 360 degrees, so you can place them around your subject, on the floor, up high, and it will flash with your flash on your camera at the flash duration that you set it to. 1/250th of a second, 1/60th, whatever you want there. So yeah, those are some of the off the top features that.
Awesome. So I saw that you now have a gasket that covers the back.
Yes.
So how confident are you in the gasket?
So we have a lot of creators out in Hawaii, and seeing the rubber gasket compared to the super secure screw-on that's annoyingly secure, we sent it out there and they put it in some turbulent water, some whitewash, took it below the 30 feet that it's rated to, and we've had no problem so far. Obviously, if you go in the water with it open, you're going to have a problem. So we put 3 gaskets in there to make it extra waterproof, and because it's USB-C and this new kind of waterproof system, it's waterproof to 30 feet instead of 100 feet. But most people are using this creatively in tide pools or shallow water anyway, so we find that they kind of matched our customers' needs in that aspect. And of course, it's still Bluetooth controlled, still super powerful, 750 lux at 1 meter, similar to the original Lume Cube.
So one thing, you told me that there's filters. How do they go on there?
Absolutely. So with the original Lume Cube, we sold a bunch of gels, diffusers, modifiers separately. What we've done is include a couple with the Lume Cube 2.0 just to get you diffusing, changing color out of the box. So what comes included is the modification frame. So this is what makes our magnetic gelling system work. So it simply goes over the front of the light, and then it comes with a white diffuser and a warming diffuser. We partner with Lee Filters to get their materials on these. We put them on a little magnetic frame. So then you just magnetically attach them there. They're all stackable. So just like that, you can soften your light, You can add snoots, barn doors, all this fun stuff, but a warming and white one comes inside the box, which out of the box you can start creating dynamic lighting effects, playing around with light. It's a super fun addition to the new product.
Cool, and how much do we see these going for now?
So these run for $89.95, so about $10 more than the original Lume Cube,
but you get
some diffusers out of the box and a little low-profile camera mount. So we think it's a really good value. It's been a crowd favorite since we launched a few weeks ago.
Awesome, and it's available already in stores?
It's available now, yeah. It's mainly lumecube.com. We're getting it out to the retailers, B&H. It should be in Best Buy pretty soon, but mainly on lumecube.com and Amazon right now. And I'm sure you'll be seeing it all around the world, hopefully very soon.
Well, awesome. Really cool. We're excited to see that come out. So guys, that was Trevor here with Lume Cube showing us the 2.0. Make sure you stick around. We're going to be touring the booth for a lot more content here. We're also giving away a lot of prizes. You can read more about it in the description below. Stay tuned.